Hello everybody, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on algebra. If x is a real number which satisfies 2 raised to 2 raised to x plus 4 raised to 2 raised to x equals 56, what is the value of 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x? As usual, pause this video if you would like to answer it for yourself. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, this is a very classic example of an exponent tower, and usually if you have an exponent tower, you might want to find like equivalent forms of, for example, these two terms right here. Maybe you want to find a form that is equivalent, or that we can deal with it. Because the 2 and the 4 here, it's not that obvious yet what we're going to do. So let's try to manipulate one of these. Now, the 4 raised to 2 raised to x is more promising because 4 is 2 squared. So let's try to do that. So the 4, we can write as 2 squared. So we're going to raise this to 2 raised to x. Now, we know that this will be equal to, since we have 2 raised to 2 quantity raised to 2x, I know I can write this as 2 raised to the product of 2 and 2x. Sorry, the product of 2 and 2 raised to x. So 2 times 2 raised to x. And I know I can write this as this again, but I can write this as 2 raised to 2x first. Then I write the parentheses, and then I'll square this. So the 4 raised to 2 raised to x, I can write it as 2 raised to 2x, and then the entire quantity raised to the second power. Now, if I replace this with this will be the result. So I'll have this equation over here. Now, if we have the substitution, y equals 2 raised to 2 raised to x, then this equation simply becomes a quadratic equation. And we know we can easily solve quadratic equations since we have the quadratic formula and the factoring tricks. Now, let's try to do this. So y squared plus y, and then minus 56. This equals 0. Now factoring gives us y plus 8 times y minus 7. Then that equals 0. Now we know that y here is 2 raised to 2 raised to x. And what's nice about 2 raised to 2 raised to x is that we know it's never negative, because 2 raised to any number, we know that it's going to be positive. So we know that y is greater than 0, so we're not going to consider the y equals 8, sorry, the y plus 8 case, because this will give you y equals negative 8. So we're only going to take into consideration the fact that y equals 7. Now, if y equals 7, then we can say that 2 raised to 2 raised to x, this equals 7. Now, if you go back to the item, we're asked to find the value of 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x. Now, since we know that this part, the exponent, is equal to 7, we can directly substitute. So the answer would be 2 raised to 7, because 2 raised to 2 raised to x is equal to 7. So we just have to get 2 raised to 7, and we're gonna get the answer of 128. And this will be our final answer. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.